There's an intelligence in your pocket, one that learns what you like, watches how you move, and makes choices for you. It doesn't sleep, it doesn't feel, and it never forgets. This is narrow AI, and you're already living with it. Narrow AI, also called weak AI, is built for one specific job. It doesn't think or reason, but give it a task and enough data, and it performs with powerful precision. You're using narrow AI right now, Siri or Alexa recognizing your voice, Netflix predicting your next watch, Google Maps avoiding traffic, Amazon recommending what to buy. They don't think, they just follow patterns. Narrow AI learns by analyzing huge amounts of data. It finds patterns and sticks to them. Think of a spam filter. After scanning thousands of emails, it learns to spot what spam looks like. But if a new kind of scam email shows up, it might miss it or even flag something real by mistake. Narrow AI is not creative, not conscious, not emotional. It doesn't understand. It doesn't ask why. It just runs code fast. Even with all its limits, narrow AI is everywhere. In your apps, your cars, your homes. It's not the future, it's the foundation of the future. Curious what's next? Subscribe to Neuropix AI and join us as we decode intelligence, one pixel at a time. Got questions, feedback, or think we missed something? Drop your thoughts in the comments. We'd love to hear from you. And if you enjoyed this breakdown, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to support our journey.